Yeah, hi. Just going to do a copy of John Saunders from NYC CNC muzzle brake, and I'm going to use Fusion 360 Ultimate to draw it up in. So I'll start off, change my units to inches, create a cylinder on that plane. It's 0.875 diameter by 2.25 inches long. We had a 0.38 hole, and also we'll click on that face on the origin, a distance through all, a diameter of 0.38. Right, so now we need to make the cuts in the front, and use the 2-point rectangle tool. We're going to sketch on that face. Alright, so he came just off center, so I'll click just to the side there, and come down just past center, and now 1/4 inch wide. Now we'll use the press pull command on that surface. We'll make an extrude cut, 3/4 inch, 0.75. Let's change that to cut. Got to put negative in front, negative 0.75. Rightio, so we'll get our first cut. Now we'll do a pattern. So this will be a circular pattern. Actually, you can just come down here and click feature, click down there in the timeline, and choose our axis. Just use this as our axis. I'm going to do 4 of them, and click OK. Alright, so I haven't come down far enough on that sketch, so what I can do is I can come back in, edit that sketch, change this dimension, or can't drag it. Can't drag it because it's got the dimension in there. Could just delete that, or make it a bit longer, 0.55. Stop the sketch. That's right, so that sorts that out. So take this home. Right, we need to construct a plane, tangent plane on this face. Turn the origin on so we've got something to square it off, and we want it to be square. To that plane. Let's do that. Okay. And we need a plane at an angle. plane, sorry, I need another tangent plane on this face. But around 10 degrees from that, so 303. Right. So that's our tangent plane, so we'll name that tangent. And we'll name this one tangent plus 10. I need to put in some construction lines. There's another trick too. If you're not squared off to the face or the angle that you're looking at, it won't snap two parts of the model. But if you square off to it, then it will. So this first one is in 500, or half an inch, sorry. Alright, we'll make this line construction. And we'll do a slot next. Center to center should be fine. So the angle's going to be 30 degrees, so 150 off 180. Sorry, 150, enter. So that'll stay locked at 150. We just need to get the length. So that's center, that's 0.625. So I'll make it 0.525. And slots. Sorry, I had a measurement here, didn't realise. It's 270. Yep, right, click on that. This here I need to change because that should have been 375. So select tool, click on that dimension, and that should be 375. Then I'll add in another 3-point arc, and just come back a little bit. I don't think it was was any critical dimension on that second arc. So we use a press pull command again, and we're just going to drag it through the other side. Click OK. Fire up that sketch again, and we'll do the same on this portion, but we'll only come through halfway, somewhere around there. Okay, hide that sketch. Alright, so now I need to pattern it. Rectangular pattern. Pattern a feature. That one and that one. And the direction, just click on this line to give us a direction. Go forward. I'm only going to do 2 of them. And they're 1/2 inch apart. Okay. And now we'll mirror these features. Around that plane. Okay. Alright, it's looking alright. The next thing I need to do is another construction line on this tangent. So on that center origin, we're coming down. Come down 1.4. And we'll drop a sphere on the end of that. Make it 0.06. So let's cut ourselves a little dimple in that surface. We'll do a rectangular pattern. Select that. Okay, we just for direction, just select one of these lines. Forward is going to be 3 of them. I'll make it 750. And we'll do a circular pattern on them. So select our 3 objects. Axis, just be on this center there. There's going to be 18 of them. Alright, so the next one, do another line on this plane. So now we'll come down 5. So another sphere on that point, 0.06, same deal again, rectangular pattern. This time we're only going, leave it 3, direction, I'll make it 750 again. And a circular pattern. Alright, so we've got our little dimples. And I need to put a thread in the back here. I can't remember what thread John used, so I'm going to put a thread on that face. It's given us a 3/840. I'll just leave it at that. Not going to go full length. 394. That's fine. Just leave it at that. There's a thread in there. Chamfer. Give it a 40 thou chamfer, not too big. That's cool. Then yeah, we need to put the logo. This is one thing I couldn't get to work. I made an SVG and I tried to import it, but I just could not get it to work. So I think that's one of their updates, is getting these SVGs a little bit more polished. You've got the insert SVG command, but it's very hard to work with it. You know, it's quite limiting what you can do. So yeah, I've just drawn an ellipse on that tangent, yeah, on that center line, somewhere in there. Then I'll bang in some text. Says Saunders Machine Works. Around 0.1. That's about right. Maybe 0.15. That's too big. Alright. Next step. What is it? It should be a construction line. Which it is now. Next step, you need to explode the text. So now I can click here, use the press pull command and make a cut. It doesn't want to do it. Oh man. Why the hell not? Let's delete that line, see if that's upsetting it. Nope, doesn't like it. Undo. I'll put the text in first and see if that works. So SMW Now this rotate won't let you go. Oh, I will. Man, this program keeps popping up all these tricks. So now I'll bring in the ellipse. Maybe it'll work this way. I've got to explode that text. Alright. So she's worked that time. Don't know why. So you got to put the text first, then the ellipse, not the other way around. But that's the best I can do. I can't import an SVG. I've tried that many different ways and I just can't get it to work. I've got to help question in on the forum. The forums are really good, so hopefully someone can come up with an answer. So all that's really left is to just go around and chamfer up the all the edges. Alright, I think I've got them all. Alright, that's it. I'm pretty sure that's close to how John did his. And there you go. We can also plot the home, apply a material to it, metal, just make it out of stainless. And there you go.